If you're wondering what to make for a convenient breakfast, today I will share with you my simple recipe to make sausage bread. Let's begin.
Oh yeah! Helen's recipes.
Ingredients you need: 415 grams of all-purpose flour, 4 grams instant yeast, 3 grams salt, 30 grams sugar, 32 grams milk powder, 1 egg, 100 ml of milk, 145 ml of water, and 25 grams of unsalted butter. Firstly, combine sugar, flour, milk powder, and mix well. Then add the instant yeast and salt. Put them away from each other as the yeast cannot be activated if it touches the salt. Mix well. Next, add milk, water, and eggs. Knead the dough at low speed and then gradually increase to high and knead for about 10 minutes. The dough is quite wet, so it might be quite sticky if you knead by hand. Next, add 30 grams of butter and knead until you get a smooth and soft dough. It would still look quite tacky, but that's how it should be. We love our bread really soft, so don't add more flour as it will make it tougher. Cover with plastic wrap and proof for 1 hour until it doubles in size. Next, coat your hands and the counter with some flour and pour the dough out to the counter and knead for about 1 minute. Apply some flour to prevent the sticking and use the dough scraper to move things around easily. Roll it into a cylinder. Divide the dough into 8 to 10 small portions and then shape the dough. The easiest way is to shape the dough into a long stick and then pull the ends together and place the sausage on it. The second way is to roll the dough flat and then place the sausage in the middle. Trim off the excess and then roll it up. If the dough is sticky, sprinkle a little bit more flour, just enough to prevent sticking and not too much or the bread will be too dense. Then use a knife to cut the roll into about 2 cm size, but not all the way through, and pull to the side just like that. How beautiful! The third way is similar to previous one, but I'm cutting it thinner, just about 1 cm or 1/8 of an inch, and then make both ends meet. Another way you can try is roll out the dough to about 1 cm thick and then cut out a square with the same length of the sausage, and then place the sausage on it and use a knife to make parallel cuts on both sides, and then fold the dough in turn, wrapping the sausage like a mummy. Place the shaped dough on parchment paper and then let rest for another 20 minutes to rise further. Then brush with egg wash and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 17 minutes until golden brown. Finally, brush with butter and sprinkle the green onions. Drizzle some mayonnaise or ketchup on chili sauce and enjoy. If you want the sauce to absorb into the bread, you can do this step before baking. Wow, look at that! The bread is so soft and fluffy. I shaped some of the leftover dough into a bun and you can see how extra soft this recipe will make. I hope you enjoy this recipe and please give it a like and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you then next time. Bye!